Hey you guys, this is Esikhomesteddah Homesteaddah back with another, I'm not going to call this an emergency long-term food haul. I'm going to call this a junk food haul. And I did tell you guys that I will be doing more of comfort food hauls because after a while you get burnt out with rice, sugar, and beans. All right, and if we get another lockdown, you're going to want those comfort foods. So I want you guys to focus on comfort foods as well. Okay, so we're going to start over on the right side where I got about 3 packs of salsa and cheese dip and onion dip. And each one of these were $7.98. So I have a total of 12 jars. And I like these jars, the smaller jars, because once a jar is open here, it gets used up within that day. So, you know, if you have an emergency and you want to open up one of these jars, the good thing about one of these jars is that they can get eaten up pretty quick, and then you don't have to worry about a big jar going to waste from it being open if power does shut down for us. Okay, so then I got me some vanilla wafers, and I got 2 boxes of these, and these are double packs, and they were $6.26 each. So I got 2 of those. There you have it. And I did stack up on chips. All the chips was like $3.49 roughly. Cheetos, Ruffles, Tortillas, Scoops. I got some saltines. And I got 2 boxes of these because my sons love saltines. They will eat these all day with a ramen noodle soup. So these was $5.54 each. So I got 2 boxes of those, and each box has 12 packs. I don't know why everything is upside down. Maybe because I'm tired. Look, everything is upside down, you guys. So I got 2 boxes of Ritz, and I forgot how many packs of Ritz are in these boxes. Hold on, you guys. That's all the chips already. Let me move this on. Let's see. How many packs are in here? I know it's a lot. Oh, 18 packs. There you go. 18 packs, you guys. So, when it comes to like the cookies and the crackers, and I said this before, I want to can these. I've seen people can these with the jar canner, what do you call it, the vacuum seal jar tool. And from what I'm seeing, the cookies and the candies last a good time, a long time. So I will be trying that. I just haven't gotten to it yet. And then over here, I did get lots of chocolate. Yes, I did. This one over here, which is the covered almonds, was $11.98. Then the salted caramels was $7.98. Yep. The M&Ms was $10.98. The Reese's was $10.24. The chocolate covered raisins was $10.98. Let's see what else. And I got some more Town and Country crackers. These was $7.47. And again, I got stuff backwards. Hold on, you guys. And again, I think I told you guys I like these packs because they're great for travel. And again, you open up one pack and really you don't have to worry about wasting a pack when you open up one long strip of crackers. So these have 24 packs. And I really like that because, again, you won't waste crackers. You know how sometimes you open up crackers and they go stale. Most of the time we open them up, we don't twist them tight enough so the air gets in there and they get a little bit stale. So this is another reason why I like the little snack packs. And I know Ritz have snack packs, but we eat so much Ritz in this house. If somebody open up one pack, they're going to eat that one pack because we love Ritz crackers as well as the saltines. So, again, I will be attempting to can a lot of the sweet candy treats and also the crackers and the cookies. I will definitely be attempting that. But right now, I like the fact that they are like this because I'm getting ready to store these up where my sons can't get to them. So what I try to do is if I get 2 boxes of anything, I will leave one for, for my family to enjoy, and then I will put some up for long-term use, for emergency use, things of that nature. You guys know where we at right now. So that is my haul, my comfort food haul, and that is my plan. And again, you guys, I know everybody is doing a lot of long-term food storage, and that's good. And y'all know Essie is doing that as well. But again, you wanna kind of like tap out of that and focus on some comfort foods, because if the shutdown come again, you're gonna want those comfort foods, okay? And they're easy to store up, easy to can as well. Excuse me, you guys. So that is my haul for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are enjoying this weekend, because in Zone 88, we've been having some beautiful weather, like 55 sunny. So the weather has been really nice for the last, 3 days. We had lots and lots of rain. It was cold for about 2 weeks, but I think this week they're saying we're going to be in the mid-60s. So Essie is going to be on the grind in the yard, bringing you guys some fun and good content. And SK the Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe. And I will see you really, really, really soon. Peace.